Interested in earning passive income? Are you interested in making money without working? This video is for you. Now, in the past few months, at least three Nigerian companies have paid me directly straight to my account for doing absolutely nothing. I didn't do anything. The only thing I did was just that I invested into this company. I bought their shares, I bought their stocks, and this company paid me directly to my bank account. So if you're interested in investing and you want something to be giving you passive income, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 Nigerian companies that pay you to invest. You just invest in these companies and you will get paid without doing anything. Right? Now, one thing about investing in shares or stocks of company is that apart from making money when the share grow, for instance, now if you buy a company share, let's say you buy the share when the share was 2 naira, when that share grow to like 5 naira, you are going to make money. But apart from making money when the shares grow, you will also be paid something called dividends. There are some Nigerian companies that will be paying you dividends occasionally, just free money, just because you invested. You do nothing, but you'll be getting these dividends credited to your account. So in this video, I'm going to break down 5 Nigerian companies that pays dividends when you invest in them, how much they pay, and how you can invest in them. So by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start investing in these companies so that you'll be getting dividends for free. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how you can start investing. Now, these companies, they are good. I've researched on them and I have invested in some of them and I have made money. Proof I have made money live with some of these companies. So pay attention. I'm going to explain to you 5 Nigerian companies you can invest in and you'll be getting dividends, passive income, if you're interested in buying their shares. Now, the first one is UBA Bank. Now, I love UBA Bank so much. I'm a big investor in UBA Bank. I invested in UBA Bank, I think last year or last 2 years. Now, UBA Bank pays dividends every 6 months. They pay twice a year, every 6 months. These dividends are like extra commissions they give to you when you invest in it. Right? And the dividends they pay is 4.3 naira per share. That's their average dividend yield per year. Right? They pay twice. I think the last time they paid was in October 2024. And their current share price is 37 naira. Right? So if you invest 100,000 in UBA now, right, you'll be paid dividends 6 months from now, right, which should be like between October, 6 months from October 2024 should be like April, right? I don't know if I'm correct, but April of that's next month, right? April 2025, you'll be paid dividends and they pay 4.3 naira per every share you own. So let's assume you invested 370,000 naira in UBA. The current price is 37 naira per share. It's very cheap. One share of UBA Bank is 37 naira. So if you invest 370,000 naira, it means that you have 37,000 pieces of that UBA Bank. You have 37,000. So they're going to pay you 4.3 naira per one share you have. One share. So you just do the math. 4.3 naira times the amount of piece you have. That's the estimated amount of dividends you will get every 6 months. And the amazing part is that you're not doing anything. No. You just receive the alert in your account. So UBA Bank pay dividends every 6 months. Just invest and you make money. Now, another thing about investing in this UBA Bank or shares is that their dividends is not constant. The dividends they pay depends on how profitable the company is. So it can change. Sometimes it might be higher than this, sometimes it might be high, sometimes it might be low. It's not specific, but this is the average dividend yield per year, 4.3 naira per share. Now, I received dividends from UBA last year. The last payout they paid in October, I received. And I received from the UBA twice last year to my bank account. So I'm a living proof that this is real. And I'm expecting to receive twice this year again. Free money in 6 figures. I'm so excited about it. So you can invest in UBA Bank and you get dividends for free every 6 months. The next one is Dangote Cement. Now, Dangote Cement also pay dividends, but Dangote Cement costs 480 naira per share. It's more expensive. Look at UBA. UBA is just 37 naira. Dangote Cement is 480. So Dangote Cement's share price is more expensive, but they pay 30 naira per share. 30 naira per share. So every share you own, the dividends yield is 30 naira per share, but they pay once in a year. So if you don't have big money, you won't benefit more from Dangote. You benefit more by investing in UBA because of the cheap price compared to when you invest in Dangote, because Dangote current share price is 480 naira, but they pay 30 naira per share. So when you invest in Dangote, you are expected to receive dividends once a year, and they will pay you 30 naira per one share you own, free money into your account as dividends. The third one is Stanbic IBTC Holdings. Stanbic IBTC also pays twice a year. They pay every 6 months, but their share price is 60 naira per share. So when you buy Stanbic, you buy one for 60 naira, right? It's cheap. Their dividend yield is 4.20 naira. So their dividend yield is 4 naira 2 kobo per share. So every share you own, you are entitled to 4 naira 2 kobo as dividends. Now their last dividends payment was February 2025, which is few weeks ago, right? So their next one should be 6 months from February 2025. So if you invest in Stanbic now, 6 months from now, you receive a lot as dividends, and they will pay at least like 4.20 naira per share. At least I told you earlier, it's not constant. It might change, it might not change, it might grow, it might be bigger, it might be lower, depending on how profitable the company is. Now the fourth one is Bua Cement. Bua Cement is another good company, right? Their share price is 93 naira per share. So one share is 93 naira. So if you have 10,000, if you invest 10,000 naira in Bua Cement, it means that you have gotten like 11 pieces of Bua Cement, but they'll pay 2.05 naira per share. Their dividend yield is low, it's just 2 naira. Dangote own, as you can see, Dangote own here is 30 naira. UBA is 4.3. I think UBA is the highest. Stanbic is Stanbic is 4.20, UBA is 4.3, UBA is the highest. Bua Cement is low, 2.05 naira per share. That's their dividend yield, but the share price is 93 naira. Bua Cement also pay dividends once a year, right? Then the final one is GT Corporation, that's GT Bank. Their share price is 59.5 naira per share. Their dividend yield is 3.70 naira per share, right? So when you invest in GT Bank, you'll be paid 3.70 per share, and they pay every 6 months, right? So all these five companies, GT, Bua Cement, UBA, Stanbic, and Dangote Cement, right? These are the five companies. The one I'm invested in UBA Bank, right? And I've received dividends from UBA Bank life. UBA Bank is a company that I love because of their CEO, Tony Elumelu. So whatever I'm saying here is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest in UBA, but personally, I am investing in UBA, and I'm bullish in UBA. I'll continue investing in UBA for the long term. When I first bought UBA, it was like 27 naira per share. I'll be 23. Now it's 37. So I'm in profit. I've made money from UBA, both from dividends and both from stock growth. So UBA is a good company to invest in for the long term, right? So these five Nigerian companies will pay you when you invest. You just receive your alert in your bank account, straight to your bank account. You receive your alert when you buy their shares, right? You just buy with any amount you have, and you leave it. When the price of the share you buy increase, you can sell. You can sell off. You are in profit. But minus that, you'll be getting dividends either twice a year or once a year, depending on the company. So the next question you might be asking is, how can you invest in this company? It's simple. Get a stockbroker. Download any of this app. You can download Bamboo app, you can download Yocha, you can download iInvest, you can download Trove, you can download Afri Invest. Personally, I use Yocha. I use Yocha to invest in Nigerian stocks. I use Bamboo to invest in the US stock. I don't like putting all my money in one app. For instance, even in crypto, all my money are not in one crypto wallet. I have like 3 crypto wallets. I have Mex, I have KuCoin, I have Bybit. The same thing when it comes to investing. I don't like putting all my money in one place. So I use Yocha specifically for Nigerian investing. I use Bamboo for US. So I use Yocha. So you can download Yocha, register. When you register, it's going to take some time for you to verify your account. They will request for things like your BVN, things like your bank account. Make sure you put your bank account when registering, because that's where your dividends will go to when they want to pay you. They are not going to be pre-informed. You just receive the alert unexpectedly. It always comes unexpectedly, but you'll see the dividends, and you are going to receive an email after you have been paid. So make sure you register with your correct bank account, your BVN, then any means of verification like NEPA bill or bank statement is safe. Put it in this app. I personally use Yocha. Then when you register, It's going to take them some time, maybe 1 week or few days to verify your account. Then when they have verified your account, then you can deposit and start investing. To deposit, they are going to give you a unique account number. You send money there, your wallet will be funded, then you can start investing. I use YoCha to invest, right? And when it's time for you to receive your dividends, you just receive the alert straight from your bank account, right? So that is how to invest in this app. Simple, right? Now, if you need more guidance, if you need someone that will teach you more about stocks investing, I'll be telling you stocks to buy, because among all the stocks I listed here, the only one I'm invested in is UBA, but I have other stocks, right? But some of them don't really pay dividends, but UBA pay dividends, right? But if you want more information on stock investing, you need someone that will be guiding you. You need someone that will put you through everything. You need someone that you can run to when you have questions. You need a community of people you can learn and grow together. Then you want to join my mentorship, you can check the description of this video. There's a link on how to learn from me, both crypto and stocks trading. Just click on it and read through, and you see how you can learn from me. My name is Oroka Otwene, and God bless you for watching this video. I hope you should start your investment journey. Any amount you have, you can start investing in the Nigerian stock market. As you can see in this video, some of all these stocks are very cheap, less than 100 naira. The highest is 480 naira, which is Dangote Cement, which is still cheap in our currency, less than 500. So you can start investing and start growing wealth. As the stock price is increasing, you are making money and you'll be getting dividends, right? So check the description of this video for more information on investment and on all. So, but finally, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more information like this. I drop tips on finances and wealth building. Subscribe to this channel and you'll see more of videos like this. God bless you.